Hi, I'm Randy Hamlin with Indigo Laine & Co. We are a small batch leather goods manufacturing and design company located in South Texas. We've been in business since 2016 and pretty much exclusively that whole time we have worked with Tandy. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Tandy Heat Imprint machine. Tandy did gift this to us, but in exchange for our honest opinion about the machine. Okay. Here she is, the TandyPro Heat Imprint machine. I can't wait to get started. Let's get her open. All right, I already took her out of the shipping box, which it was shipped in a bigger box and it was padded and wonderful and it got here safely. So the folks out of Tandy warehouse in Fort Worth always do a great job with that. Okay, let's get into it. All right, let's see, here's the details on it. Here's the details. It has a removable work platform, a removable heating plate, a digital temperature control, which I love, multifunction with additional added accessory options. Okay, we did not purchase the accessories. We just were gifted this and we purchased the brass stamps for the letters. So today we won't be doing a review on the accessory pack. All right, and then it says it's got adjustable imprinting depth to accommodate larger projects, which is really great in my shop because we do everything from wallets to tote bags to fanny packs and even luggage. So we need a variety of spaces to work within. Okay, so I'm short, my table's tall, I had to put the box on a stool. Okay, here we go. Let's get on into it. All right, it has paper, an instruction guide, talks about how to put it together, which is mostly put together, but there's some adjustments to be made. This is great. This is a temperature chart and it has the temperatures needed for gilding and imprinting. If you're wondering what gilding means, it's when you use the actual foil on the product. So it has it for paper, leather, polyurethane, PVC, and wood. Don't lose this paper, which I'm sure you could probably Google it, but why, since you already have it on paper? All right, what's in this box? Okay, oh, cool. This is where your letters will go in. And what I love about this machine, as opposed to any other machines, is it has the letters on a handle. This is really important for the flow of your workshop when you are imprinting things, because you want to be able to pull these out in a timely fashion, and some of the other machines have them to where they screw to the base plate of the heat plate, and it makes it difficult to use quickly. All right, so that's cool. There's that, bunch of tools. Okay, let's dig in here. Okay, here's the machine. All right, and our cord. Let's get started. Okay. So as you can see, I have the machine set up, plugged in. I got my heat settings adjusted, which took a little bit. There's a top setting that's labeled PV and then a bottom setting labeled SV. SV is where you want to be, PV is where you are. So we want to be, according to our temperature chart that came with the imprint machine, we want to be at 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do an imprint on 4 different types of leather just so y'all can see it. The different colors, the different textures, and let's just see what happens. So, okay, first, we're gonna do this on I think this is the vintage oil tanned from Tandy in turquoise. My customers love turquoise. Okay, so I have different colors of foil. I have fuchsia, it's like a light pink, kind of a mauvey color, and then gold. I've gone ahead and pre-cut pieces, so it's just easier while we're filming. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's line them up. I really love the workspace down here, that it has the grid, it's numbered out, so I can know what's even, not having to wing it. Okay, real quick. 1, 2, up. See if that will take. Ah, and it did. Okay. I'm gonna hold it up and now let's see if the camera will read it. Okay, So that's the vintage oil. It has some good pull up on it. It's kind of stretchy. So that's what that looks like on there. Let's go to Kodiak. On this Kodiak, I think I'm gonna do the light pink. All right. 1, 2. Y'all, the temperature is remaining. It doesn't seem to be losing, which I love. Let's see what we got. And in case you didn't know, can't read it, it says we love Tandy, because we do. Tandy, as far as I'm concerned, so far has hit a home run with this product. I'm using their, I think it's their 6mm letters, their larger set, and I love them. I love them, I love them. Now, I will say this heart that we have in the middle, that came from a different set, not with Tandy. I think I found it on Amazon. So, all right, let's try the Kodiak in the maroon. 1, 2. Yep, I mean, it's just flawless every time. Okay, and then the last one is a Denver in hot pink. Let's see here. I want to do kind of a monochromatic, so I'm gonna do the fuchsia foil. Let's see what we got. 1, 2. Oh, y'all, it's so good. We love Tandy. Okay, so we've set it up, we've plugged it in, we've adjusted the height, we've dealt with our temperature, we've pressed on 4 different types of leather, and for me and our Indigo Laine studio, the Tandy Heat Imprint Pro is the #1.